Welcome back to the Jarau channel. Today I'm going to show you how to swap tokens on the Obvious wallet. If you don't know what the Obvious wallet is, I made a few videos. I'll link them in the description of this video so that you can check them out, how to install the wallet, what it's about, the team, and leave this. So today we are going to swap tokens on the same blockchain. Either swap BUSD on the Binance Smart Chain to BNB, which is also on the Binance Smart Chain, or swap USDC or USDT on the Arbitrum blockchain to USDT or also on the Arbitrum blockchain, or Ethereum on Arbitrum blockchain. So to do that, you click on this. I'm going to show you this. You click on this middle icon, that double pointed, that's pointing on opposite directions. You click on that. Then after that, you click on swap tokens. You can see swap a token to another token on the same blockchain. I explained that. So you click on that. So you choose the wallet you're going to use. So I'm going to use the Jarau's Obvious wallet because it has some money. The other wallet almost has zero, so I'm going to choose on that. So you can even choose the chain you want to. You can choose the chain here. You can choose the chain. So which chain? So far the tokens I have are only on how many chains? 1 2 3 4. I have only 4 chains, so I'm going to choose Arbitrum chain. So I'm going to use Arbitrum chain. So I'm going to swap from USDC Arbitrum USDC, and then let me swap it to Ethereum also on the Arbitrum blockchain. Remember, you're swapping on the same blockchain, so I'm swapping from USDC to Ethereum. So I'm swapping from USDC to Ethereum, and then here we are. And then let me swap, since I have $4 on USDC on Arbitrum 1, I'm going to swap like okay, let me swap $2 to Ethereum also on the Arbitrum blockchain. So that is, so the fee is here, the gas fee is here, 0.31. this gas fee is the Arbitrum fees, so you must have some fees on the chain you're using on the chain you're swapping tokens on. So if it's the Binance Smart Chain, you must have BNB. So if it's on the Ethereum blockchain, you must have Ethereum. So since you're on the Arbitrum blockchain, so we have to have some Arbitrum. So I have the fees. So, and then remember, Obvious doesn't charge any fees. You can see here, Obvious fee is 0. It was 0.00, but right, it is 0. So you click on review. So tap to proceed. So you tap to proceed. Tap to proceed. We are converting USDC to Ethereum on the Arbitrum blockchain. So tap to proceed. Tap to proceed. And then it's proceeding. Tap to proceed briefly. After it will do the conversion. So it's doing the conversion, and then I also have to approve. I have to approve the smart contract. Click on approve. Approve. I have to obviously authorize transaction. I use a fingerprint. I'm authorizing it. It's swapping. Let's wait briefly. There we go. Sign transaction. I have to approve that again. It's now swapping. It's using the index. Okay, you don't need to know this anyway, but I'm going to wait until it's in progress. So okay, notify me when complete. So let's just get out of here. So when it's complete, okay, it's already complete. It's showing here success. You see here, it is showing here success. So we have converted USDC. Remember, we had 4 USDC. We had 4. So these are my activities. So this is the history. It's here, approved and broadcasted. Blah. You can read all this. Activity completed. So that's how you swap. So let's go back to our portfolio. Here we are. Remember, this Ethereum on the Arbitrum network was 0.3. I remember it was 0.9. Now we have the $2. So the $2 have been swapped here. And then the USDC on the Arbitrum chain, I'm sure we now have, it still hasn't yet uploaded it yet. So basically that's how you swap tokens on Obvious wallet. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.